Hello guys, welcome to the starting of General Carding and Cybersecurity Awareness Series. This is the starting and the first part of this series. Welcome to this awareness series. I will guide you and we will explore how cybercriminals commit fraud, the risks involved, and how you can protect yourself from becoming a victim. Stay informed, stay secure, and let's dive into the world of carding and cybersecurity. Without wasting time, let's move ahead. Here is the first thing, that is, what are the topics that are covered in this video. In this video we will cover what is carding and how it works. Then we will see a step by step process of carding, like how scammers or hackers do this just for educational purpose. And one more thing, my humble request is that whatever I teach you on this channel, these are the things just for educational purpose, and don't try to harm anyone or anything through it, because this is a legal process. If you will do at your own risk, and I will not say that please don't do it, it is much better. There are many risks and challenges in carding also. How to protect yourself from carding attacks. Stay informed, secure, let's dive in. The first topic is, what is carding and how does it work? Ever wondered that how credit card frauds happens? You check your bank statement and suddenly notice a huge transaction you never made, but your card was in your pocket the whole time. So how did this happen? You can many people can relate if they live in some kind of places where many cards are non-VVB. It means when the payment will happen, they will not require any kind of OTP during payment. Those cards are called non-VVB. They are mainly cards from USA, Canada, UK. Most of the cards are used in carding are from USA. Okay. This whole process is called carding, like you have your card in your pocket and your money detected. Welcome to the world of carding, a secret cybercrime where stolen card details are used for unauthorized transactions worldwide. Worldwide it means to say there are many scammers and hackers, and everybody learns carding and do carding. Why? Just for money. But they don't think how painful when someone's card is used for carding, and what will literally happen to him, because people don't think about others, they will just do whatever they want. Let's introduce means I will introduce you to the world of carding. Just learn and take this as a knowledge only, and just learn it. I don't mean to say that learn it practically, just know what are the things, because in this developing era you always need to think many things and there will be always new things. Just learn it and move on, just know about it and move on. Okay. Carding basically means a stolen credit cards and debit cards details are used for illegal purchase. Cyber criminals steal card info. Okay, like there is a cyber criminal who stole the card information, the track 1 and track 2 data, that is called dump also. The main thing is that they will make a purchase using the stolen credit or debit card for their use, and they will earn money through it, like through reselling or like that. Now you will think that how cyber criminals steal card data. Like you have card yourself. I am not saying that he will literally come to you and he will see your data like that. You have your card in your pocket, but whenever, like there are many phishing pages that in carding language it is called spamming. Yes, a spamming means making a fake website or looking like original one, and you will guys what do, they will mail you and like that, and you will literally redirect it on that, and in that case you will literally put yourself the data of your card, and in this way their cyber criminals got their card details. The second thing is, if you go to any public place or like that, or any kind of hotels or like that, you can do checkout using the skimmers, the POS machines, the ATMs. So there are many tactics involved in this, through which they will get your card information, because many cards nowadays are coming with wireless transaction technology like NFC, etc. So in that case, your data is going to cyber criminals. Many times, large scale theft from companies. You have heard about many companies' data got leaked, like Netflix data got leaked, then definitely your card detail will be leaked. And each stolen card are sold in between $5, $50, $100, $1,000, whatever they amount, that much amount in the bank, they will literally sell at this cheap cheap amount. Okay. So the simple goal of the scammers, I think, buy things before banks detect fraud. Understood? Like this is a suspicious activity and you will be caught. But there are many tactics that scammers and cyber security, I mean to say criminals already have, so that they did not caught. Okay. So this guide is only for cyber security awareness and educational only. Don't try to do these things. Okay. Though let's move ahead. So the first topic again is how carding works, a step by step process. First thing is data collection. The main thing that you need to do carding is data. In data, what it means, you need a credit card or debit card. You can find it using, you can do it using phishing emails, skimmers, hacking and malware, using rats, or there are many websites and marketplaces where you can use the stolen cards. Okay, you will get these cards at $5, $10, $20, even whatever amount. Okay, so moving ahead, so this was the cost depending on its types and like that. Step 2 is card testing. Before making big purchase, fraudsters check if a stolen cards work or not. Like in marketplaces, also there are lots of scams. In part 2 of this, I will tell you about how many CC shops or like that, they are doing a scams to you. How many type of scams are there in this world. I will tell you everything about in this cyber security awareness series. So just stay tuned and subscribe and share as much as possible, because I will give you literally fucking amazing stuff. So first what they do a small transaction like buying a cheap app or like that through App Store, Play Store, PayPal or Uber Eats, to check that the card is live, card has balance or not. Then they find something like they do a overview that this bank amount this credit card, debit card has this amount of balance, and using that amount of data they do carding. Okay, so bot test thousand of cards. Yes, bot test means like there are CC checkers which can literally gives you data, means to say there are 1,000 cards you have, and in 1,000 cards CC checkers gives you a bin through which the card is live or not. You need to check it yourself, but these things are waste now. Nowadays what scammers, hackers do, just they make a small transaction and find that this card is working or not. Then the step 3, the main things comes here. They make a purchase. Once card is verified, now they know that this card is live and has some balance. Then fraudsters go on a shopping spree or whatever they got, like electronics, the card, the gift cards, luxury items of cryptocurrency for money laundering. This is becoming a very big issue. Okay, so whatever they want to buy, they just make payment through the credit card or debit card, and in this way carding successfully happened. But there are many consequences, like you can't, if you literally thinking that you will buy a card and do carding in this way, but there are many restrictions and legal consequences in between. Okay, you are thinking that with this knowledge you can do carding, then you are literally a fool person. Okay, so just stay away, or like if you want to learn for only knowledge, then just see my videos, you will get great stuff. And what mean to say, the person or the scammer order a physical product. Now he will not go to get the physical product, he will use the drop address. Drop address are the fake locations where goods are shipped to avoid getting caught. Let's say this was the scammer. He ordered product, but he ordered product using the drop. So instead of this person, the drop addresser, whatever the drop address will pick the product instead of him, and the drop address will deliver the product to the scammer. In this way, this person is always staying safe. Okay, I hope you understood it. So step 4 is reselling for profit. Now you will think, yeah, let's say taking an example of iPhone is very high security. If someone cards it, then Apple can easily block the phone through its main centers. So what the scammers or hackers do, they just resell the stolen goods. Like they make a black market or forums. There are many ones. What they do, they will resell. They have bought an iPhone, they will resell it. Why? Because for their safety, and they know that this will not work, the iPhone will not work, then just they will do resell at high profit, and in that case also they get a good money. There are also fake online stores selling stolen items in low price. There is a money laundering. This one is the very big issue, converting a stolen funds into cryptocurrency. Bank and law enforcement are always tracking these activities, but as you know, there are more than very high, like these scammers have very high level of knowledge. Whatever they do, just we need to learn it, or like that, just knew it and leave it. Just know everything for educational purpose. That is very good thing. I am also giving you a good information. So here comes the tools and platforms used in carding. The main thing here comes the dark web. Dark web is a very big marketplace. Literally, surface web is in my actual. In these years, I have seen in dark web there are many things. So whatever you can't imagine, there are those things also in dark web. There are main marketplaces for stolen cards. There are checkers which helps criminal to identify card type, bank, everything. The card like if anybody is doing a like carding, then he will need proxies, anti-detect browser, VPN, RDP. These things are not much useful in nowadays era's carding, but proxy is one of the thing, and CC checker is also waste now. These are some methods which were used earlier. Like for just knowledge purpose I am giving it, so just take it as knowledge, not anything else. Nowadays instead of RDP they use anti-detect browsers. Instead of proxies they use instead of VPN they use proxies, because proxies are very high level thing which literally convert your location to directly to the cardholder's location. And they, in this era, there are fake IDs and documents also which are used to bypass verification. Here comes the risks and challenges in carding. Fraudsters face big risk while using the stolen cards, because you also know that these cards are literally stolen cards, and these cards are other people cards. What happens here, many websites or bank uses AI to detect unusual transaction, two-factor authentication and OTP security, VVV card which I talked, spending limits. Many platforms restricts daily purchases, card phasing. If a bank detects fraud, they will block the card instantly. Bank and websites are getting okay. So basically risk challenging means there are many legal consequences as also. And there are many things, like if you are using a VVV card, then it will ask for OTP, and if you are using a non-VVV card, then it will not ask for OTP. But if the person has enabled the multi-factor authentication, that in that case the non-VVV card will also require an OTP for making the transaction successful. Here you can see this. What happens? Nowadays banks and websites are getting smarter, and they are leveling up their security. So carding is literally getting less, but only in India. But in US and many places there are lots of people who do carding, bro. Lots of people. You can't even track them down. So we can't do anything, just we gain knowledge and move on. So how to stay safe from carding? Use a strong passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, two-factor authentication, monitor your bank transactions, beware of phishing emails, websites and easy things, and don't use virtual cards. Virtual cards don't use. Okay, simple thing, or any kind of cards. So my final thoughts are, carding is a global cybercrime affecting millions of people. So stay informed, protect yourself from fraudsters. Cybersecurity is important. Be aware and stay safe. Protect your money, protect your identity, stay secure. So thank you for watching. Myself, Trend Hive Academy, signing off. This is my Telegram channel. You can join. And if you have any doubt, any kind of queries, or like you want to learn more or like that, just DM me on my Telegram. You will get amazing stuff there also, because YT have some restrictions, but there also I will tell everything for educational purpose, not for anything else. So just if you want to learn anything or want to ask anything, just DM me here at the Trend Hive Academy on Telegram. And one more thing, this is my original username. Many persons are impersonating me because they do scams on the name of mine. So stay safe and always use this username, and this is the channel. And always, one more thing, I don't always ask money for anything. If you are saying a person called Trend Hive Academy using my name, he is asking money instantly, then instantly report it to me. I will upload a video regarding that also. Okay, so just stay safe, stay secure. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then just like it, share it and subscribe for more amazing stuff. This series will literally having great stuff. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.